All right, so I wanted to chat with you all about the magnetic receptivity of our magnetic premium ThinkBoard. And so, as you can see, this teacher has set up a beautiful display for her kindergarten classroom. And she used a bunch of different magnets, and I wanted to talk about them. Some of them are, nice, strong magnets like that. Some of them are just like regular sheet magnets that work just like that. These ones are pretty small magnets that aren't very strong, and so she's using those. And then we also have a variety of magnets that I wanted to talk about. So the nature of the product, it's a peel and stick film, so it sticks directly onto the wall, but the problem about that is it's a flexible material, and therefore there's only so much steel we can jam into the material that remains it flexible and easy to install. And so we put as much as we can into the product, and it works with a variety of different magnets. So some of these magnets, you can tell if there's just one of them, they stick, they're magnetic, but something like that is gonna, maybe slide down a little, although it is holding decently well. I've got a bunch of these little magnets. They're a bit stronger, they comfortably hold stuff up with, without doubling up the magnets. Something like this can hold a variety of different markers and erasers and whatnot. Very easy, and it's a soft backing, so it's not going to scratch if you slide it around the board. Some of the sharper magnets, they're chrome, and they are a little extruded a bit, and so those would scratch if you really drag it. Those are some cheaper magnets. And then lastly, we do have substantially stronger magnets if you are trying to pin up a bunch of sheets of paper or larger poster sheets and the magnets provided aren't strong enough, or if you're trying to do more than just having magnets itself on here. This magnet here is strong enough, let's see, I'll put it right here, to hold a bit more weight. So again, not as crazy magnetic as a steel panel because of the nature of our product and why it's so great. But if you're looking for the strongest magnetic receptivity, neodymium magnets are the way to go, especially the rubber coated ones. We provide these on our website. But really any magnets do work. If you're trying to hold stuff up though, instead of just use magnets with circles and dots and having the kids play with them, then go for the stronger magnets, but anything like this should do just fine. So thanks for watching.